and welcome back to my channel. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഒരു കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ബീച്ച് ഡേ ആണ്. ബീച്ച് ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസും പിന്നെ ബീച്ചിൽ എന്താണ് ആടി നിൽക്കാൻ പോവാണ് നമ്മൾ. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നു വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. അതിനുവേണ്ടി നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, ലൈക്കും ചെയ്യണം. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
So before having a beach day, me and my brother, we decided to wake up early to enjoy this breathtaking sunrise, because normally we get to enjoy sunsets only. So after the sunrise, let's go to the beach.
So since it's COVID time, there are less people in the hotel and hardly anyone in the beach. നല്ല സോഷ്യൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിങ് ആണ്. അവിടെ ഒരു ഫാമിലി ഉണ്ട്, ഞങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്, ദോ അവിടെ രണ്ടാൾക്കാരുണ്ട്, അത്ര തന്നെ. വേറെ ആരും ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല, നമ്മൾ മാത്രം. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് ദ ഹോൾ ബീച്ച് ഇസ് ടു ourselves and the water is just so clean. And my mom does not know swimming, so my brother is taking her into the water and she's scared, so she's holding on to him and she's walking, but hope she'll enjoy. I don't know whether you guys can see clearly, but ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഫിഷസ് ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ. ലൈക്ക് യു ക്യാൻ സീ ലൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ, അത് ഫിഷസ് ആണ്. ഗൈസ് നോക്കൂ എന്ത് ക്ലിസ്റ്റർ ക്ലിയർ വെള്ളാണ്. I don't know whether you guys can see, but അവിടെ swimming lessons is going on. So guys, നമുക്കൊന്ന് അണ്ടർ വാട്ടർ പോയി നോക്കാം. Because it's crystal clear, I can see, but I want to show you guys. Finally, my mom is swimming by herself. Yes, yes, come on. You are going fast. So Amma, you learned swimming. I learned. So guys, one round of swimming and enjoying the sea water is complete, and we are on a pause. And mom is not sunbathing, she has covered her up completely, and dad is sunbathing over here, and me and my brother is also sunbathing. He does not. So now slightly there is a tide, so there is no one in the water. Everyone is sunbathing. You can see everyone. There is no one in the water now. Pocha. Okay, from where is this game from?
Game.
Oh, okay.
And there are like huge competitions of it.
For this?
Really love it. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we used to play on the grass area as well, and the sand. Like.
So are you from France?
No, I'm from Georgia.
Georgia.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Yeah.
place.
Oh, I love my country. Especially the food is amazing.
Yes, yes.
So you guys can. We're gonna have two teams here. We have.
I don't know what this is, but I can't hear the music.
Here we have both Switzerland.
Okay, well, that's one team and this is...
Yeah, and the winner team throws a small ball, which can be closer or far away distance you choose by yourself.
Okay.
As far as you want. And the point is that you're gonna throw this ball as close as possible to your target, to this small ball.
Wait, are you on that team?
No,
Yes,
one
yes,
more.
yes.
One more.
We are all in one
We
team.
have a line here, and you cannot throw the ball or like this or this. Come on, come here.
Yeah, but we wouldn't have any other one, right?
It's just one.
That's why you have one for.
It's just 1-0. So. And you throw the ball again.
No, we have 0.
They have 1 point.
We lost.
0. We play until 11.
Good one.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Oh, nice try.
It's here.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are kayaking. ഞാൻ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല ഒന്ന് മൂവ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി റൈറ്റ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ തിരിയല്ലേന്ന് അപ്പം ലെഫ്റ്റ് 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 ഒരു വേവ് വരുന്നുണ്ട് റൈറ്റ് റൈറ്റ്
So guys, after the beach activities, we are really tired, so we did not go anywhere else. We were just enjoying the beach today, and now we are in the game room. You can see there's a hair hockey, and they are playing TT. There is a snooker table in front of me, and there is a foosball. So now we are going to end our day with the games here and dinner and rest ourselves.